We have with us the Health Minister of Myanmar, Dr. Mint Wei. So we would like to know from you, what are the key health sector priorities of the new government?
Okay. I've been as a health minister since 1st April 2016. The first thing that I'm doing is that we are systematizing the health system performance. Only if our health system is strong enough, then we can do many things. The first thing is we are updating the guidelines and standard operating procedures, as well as the health information system that is to be strengthened very fast. And on top of that, we are also emphasizing on medical ethics and nursing ethics in medical school, as well as we are reviewing the curriculum as well as teaching methods in medical schools, nursing schools, etc., etc. That is very important so that we can go ahead with full speed. Another thing which we are doing is we are developing a computerized human resource for health system. Then we will know how many staff we have, how many staff will be retiring in which year, etc., etc. Then we can plan very well as to what are the types of professionals that we have to produce from our system. In terms of activities, my priority is school health program. The reason being that school health program, if the school children are strong in terms of attitude, in terms of healthy practices, then we will have a reduced number of non-communicable disease in future. That is very important. Another one is expanded program of immunization, which we have covered 10 vaccine preventable diseases. Then our children will be disease-free, and on top of that, children programs have been supplemented with, the nutrition program, as well as sports instructors are included in the school health program because Ministry of Sports is also under me. These are the things there. On top of that, epidemic outbreak, disaster preparedness, these are activities which we are going all out at this point in time. We have been doing all out for health education program because many of the diseases which have been occurred are due to lack of health information at this point in time. Generally, we are emphasizing a lot on public health program. If our public health programs are strong, the number of people coming to the hospital will be reduced. The number of people who will come to the hospital with late diseases, late complications will also be very much reduced. So our focus of attention is public health, not on the medical care. All the INGOs and UN agency work and foundations work will be incorporated in our national health plan so that it will cover many aspects or domains in our national health plan.